Go. So good morning, my dear student. Today we will be starting time period 2 and we will be beginning with minutes to seconds. How to convert from minutes to second. In the previous class, you have already read how to convert hours to minutes. Now you will read how to convert minutes to seconds. So, you know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. I think you all know about this. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. So here is the question. If I will tell you to convert 3 minutes into seconds, 3 minutes into seconds, how you will do? If 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 3 minutes equal to 3 into 60, that is equal to 180 seconds. I think it is clear. Same as you are converting hours to minutes, same minutes to seconds. Okay. Now if I will give you one more question, you have to do that by your own, then I will show you how to do. The question is, convert 5 minutes 35 seconds into seconds. Five minutes 35 seconds into seconds. Convert this. Okay. So I hope you have done the question. Now you see the answer of this question. Question was 5 minutes and 35 seconds. To convert it into seconds, you have to just multiply 60 into 5, that is 300 seconds, and just add this 35 seconds into it. The final answer is 335 seconds. So student, now we will read about addition of time. How to add in time. The question you can see 22 minutes and 25 seconds plus 15 minutes and 45 seconds. First you have to do like this, write like this, MINS means minutes and SECS means seconds. Fine. Now what you have to do, minutes, there is 22 and 15 in minutes. Write 22, 15. And what are there in seconds? 20, 25 and 45. Right. 25, 45. Okay. Now, what you will do? You will just add this. 5 power 5 is 10. Here is 0. Here is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Here 70 is coming. But 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, but it is coming 70. So if number is greater than 70, you just subtract 70 minus 60. It is coming 10. So what you will do, it is better to do these sums with pencil because many eraser is there. So you will write only 10 over here and add 1 here. Remember it, very important. If this will come more than 60 seconds, You have to subtract that with 60 and add 1 over here. Okay. Now you see. So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 8. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 38 minutes and 10 seconds. It is a very crucial process. So you have to remember it and apply it many times. Next question. Next question is, please practice lots of questions. Add 3 hours, 45 minutes and 7 hours, 15 minutes. Okay. So what I have to do, same process, you have to continue with, first you write hours, then you write minutes. You write here 3, here 7. You write here 45 and 15. Five plus 5, 0. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 plus 6. 60 means 60 minus 60, 0. So you have to put here 0 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So you put here 0 and here carry 1. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10, 11. So answer is 11 hours, 0 minutes. I think that is clear. If here in the question I will do a modification. If I will write here 35. If I will write here 35, then what is the answer? There will be change in the answer. Here will be, it will be 8. 80. 80 means what? 80 means here you will put only 20. Okay. 60 minus 80, how much? 20. So like this you will do. Very important process, very crucial process. Please practice as much as you can in home. Like these questions you can use by yourself also and practice that. Thank you. So now you will read about subtraction in time. Very important. Please listen carefully. Okay. So first you write like this, same process, it's hours. Then you write here again minutes. Question is, subtract 20 hours 50 minutes from. So this will be coming first, then this. From means isse isko. So you write here 35. You write 10. Here you write 20. Here you write 50. Now you see, student, very important process. 0 minus 0 is 0. But 1 minus 5, here it is not like your normal subtraction. You do it 11 minus 5, it is 60. No, it is wrong. You have to do it 10 plus 60. If this number is less than this number, you do it 10 plus 60. The answer is 70. Remember this process. You check this one. If this number is greater than this number, then you minus it. If this is less than this number, add 60 to that number, then you minus it. Now what you will do? You will erase this totally and you will write here 70 and you will deduct this by 1. That is, you will write here 4. Remember this process. You will write here 70 and you will write here 4. Remember this, very important process. Now what it will? 70 minus 50 is 20. 4 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer is 10 hours, 20 minutes. Very, very important. Please, if you have any doubt, please again rewind the video and see. Okay. I have one more question to you. 15 minutes, 10 seconds. From 25 minutes, 5 seconds. You pause the video and do the question. After that, I will reveal the solution. This is the solution of the question. Okay. You see over here, minutes and seconds. 25 minutes, 65. Sorry, 25 minutes and 5 seconds. And this is 15 minutes and 10 seconds. As 5 is less than 10, so I have added 60 in 5. It is 65 and deducted 1 from here. It is 4. 65 minus 10 is 55. And 24 minus 15 is 9. So answer is 9 hours and 55 minutes. 3. So we will now read about time duration in hours and minutes. Here the question is, find the duration between 2 AM and 7 AM. So 2 AM and 7 AM क्वेश्चन दिया है कि 2 AM and 7 AM में कितना डिफरेंस है. इसमें क्या निकालोगे? 7 minus 2 कर दो. 7 minus 2 कितना होगा? 5. क्या है? 7 2 AM 7 AM क्या है? 5 क्या है? आवर्स. लिख दो आवर्स. 5 आवर्स. ठीक है. अब अगर हम और एक क्वेश्चन देखें तो और एक क्वेश्चन में क्या है? 4:45 PM to 6:40 PM. इसमें डिफरेंस कितना है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम बहुत सिंपल है. 4:45 से तुम मुझे माइनस भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन देखो 4:45 से 5 PM तक जाने के लिए कितना मिनट होगा? हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 15 मिनट्स. यस और नो? यस. 4:45 से 5 PM जाने के लिए कितना मिनट है? 15 मिनट्स. ओके. याद रखना 5 PM से अगर हम जाएं 6 PM, 5 PM से अगर हम जाएं 6 PM तो कितना टाइम होगा? टोटल 1 आवर. टोटल यहां से 1 आवर. ओके. ये मिनट्स 15 MINS. फिर 6 से 6:40 तक अगर हम जाएंगे, 6 से अगर हम 6:40 तक जाएंगे तो कितना समय है? 40 मिनट्स. 40. बहुत बारिश हो रहा है आज. 40 मिनट्स. कमेंट में लिखना तुम्हारे वहां बारिश हो रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है. देखो तो अभी 15 मिनट्स, यहाँ 1 आवर, यहाँ 40 मिनट. तो ऐड कर दो सबको. 1 आवर 15 मिनट्स 40 मिनट. तो कितना होगा? 1 आवर प्लस ये आवर 1 आवर. सॉरी, यहाँ देखो 1 आवर. आवर को अलग, मिनट को अलग. 15 मिनट्स प्लस 40 मिनट कितना होगा? 1 आवर 55 मिनट्स. बस 1 आवर 55 मिनट्स ऐसे कर दो और हो जाएगा. इसका और एक प्रोसेस क्या है? तुम सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हो. देखो आवर और मिनट. H मतलब आवर, M मतलब मिनट. ठीक है. अब क्या दिया है? 6:40. लेकिन उससे ये प्रोसेस जो है इजी है. पुराना प्रोसेस बहुत इजी है. 6:40 और क्या दिया था? 4:45. दोनों प्रोसेस बताता हूँ. जो सा तुम्हारा इंपॉर्टेंट इजी होगा तुम वो करना. माइनस 40 छोटा है तो प्लस 60 करने से कितना होगा? 60 प्लस 40 कितना होता है? 100 होता है. 33 प्लस 40 होता है 100, तो इसमें 100 कर दो। 100 माइनस 45 कितना होता है? 100 माइनस 45 होता है 55। निकाल दो इसको, 100 माइनस 45 55 होता है। यहाँ पे मत भूलो 5 करना इसको। 5 माइनस 4 1, निकल गया कितना 1 आवर 55 मिनट। यहाँ कितना आया था 1 आवर 55 मिनट, यहाँ भी आया था 1 आवर 55 मिनट्स। ये आवर, ये मिनट्स। तो ठीक है बच्चों, आज के लिए इतना ही। प्लीज like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.